That is dependent on the action that will be taken by EMB. Insofar as the city is concerned, nag-issue na kita yan notice of violation sa IPM with show cause, and officially nakasabat naman sila. No, so that is now being or under assessment sa city government kung ano ang mangin further action naton towards IPM. But insofar as EMB, NIR is concerned, no, we cannot preempt kung anong ilang ang mangin conclusion insofar as IPM is concerned. But one thing that we want to clear also, which was reflected and manifested sa among position paper. The big question is, sa among position paper, we indicated nga ang notice of violation sa syudad lang na-address. Well, in fact, again, as shown earlier, EMB-NIR already has personal knowledge nga ang may obligation nga mag-secure sa ECC, ang IPM. In fact, ang application ganit pending sa ila. So why is that so? That's the big question right now. And in our position paper, we urge and demanded EMB-NIR to enlighten the city nga ang responsibilidad ara lang tanan sa syudad. Despite knowing the fact na IPM has contractual obligations nga mag-secure sa ECC.
Attorney, na-mention mo earlier na nakasabat na sa showroom's order ang IPM. Ano ang pinangalas?
I cannot discuss the specifics, but in general, they are justifying the delay. Now, may mga ginasite sila ng mga circumstances kung na delay. They're making emphasis on their efforts nga nag-submit sila application way back March 2024. Ang nila before pag in-award silang kontrata in April, if hindi ko magsala, basta before in-award silang kontrata, nakasubmit na sila kuno application sa EMB for the ECC of cell number 4. No? But again, wala ginada nila king deny nga sila ang may ultimate obligation to secure ECC para sa cell number 4.
Attorney, since wala ECC ang cell number 4 and 5, anong epekto sila sa collection pag-ulak sa mga basura? May concern ba dapat ang community?
Insofar as the city government of Bacolod is concerned, our collection at ang pag-manage ang mga basura will remain as is. Now, ang ginalantaw na diriya ang environmental kag public hazard in case nga unta to naton ina. No, so that depends on EMB kung anong ila again, kung anong ila mangin assessment, anong ila mangin conclusion on how to resolve the matter. Basta insofar as the collection is concerned, business as usual. Padayon kami nga magakolekta, padayon kami nga magaula sa landfill in consideration or with utmost consideration sa sitwasyon sa syudad in kaso unta to naton ina.
Attorney, may mga complaints din man din sa mga tao regarding sa water.
We don't have the copy, some official complaint, but as per technical conference at EMB, facilitated by EMB-NIR, they officially confirm nga may complainants. No, I'm not sure kung partigid sa tubig ang complaint. I'm not sure kung parti sa hangin or kung ano nga issue. But we were able to confront the complainants kag EMB officially confirmed nga may formal complaint. No, so ang amon lang dire insofar as our position paper is concerned sa parte sa water quality. Now we will make it very clear. Sang nagkuha sila sampling allegedly on July 9, 2026, wala ito yung presensya sa syudad. The Benro head was not even there. No, so that's our first inquiry. Damo-damo kami ginapa-explain sa EMB sa position paper namon. And that's one of those. Number 2, what was the chain of custody? Number 1 na question, din ka nagkuha sample. Number 2, pagkuha mo, din mo ginsulod. Number 3, pag sulod mo, paano mo ging label? Pag label mo, din mo siya dayon ging butang. Sino ang nagkapyot, din niya ging butang, saan o ging test, so on and so forth. So those are the technicalities that we ask EMB to enlighten the city. Now, pag ang isagid subong a very notable naging ubra sang syudad, July 2026, nag-test sila and they got their results. But the city also took the initiative to facilitate our own water test. Anong resulta? Sa August 2026, ang atong City Health Office, through Dr. Grace Tan, ang atong Assistant City Health Officer, nagkadto sa landfill, kang nagkuha sila samples. And if you will allow me, I will ask Dr. Grace to explain the result. But the most notable thing is this. Sa result ng patigayon sa EMB, there was exceedance. Meaning dapat may certain standard ang water quality, allegedly ang tubig nga nakuha may mga exceedance, meaning lapaw sa standard. No, lapaw sa normal nga figures. But insofar as the city's own water test result are concerned, amo ni explain ni Doc Grace because wala nang exceedance. So from our point of view, from our vantage point, kung ang landfill naton nag-produce ina siya sang exceedance, or meaning ang water quality hindi pasado sa standard based ang atong existing rules and regulations, tani pag-test naton sa August, amo man Japon ang nangin resulta. Now, so to discuss further, I have the